Hi, my name is Deja.
And I'm Mike.
We're the Union Gospel, a band from Brooklyn, New York.
We perform regularly in the subways of New York City.
Once a week we record one of our favorite songs for this,
The Subway Series.
Tracy died soon after a long-fought civil war. Just after I wiped away his last year. I guess he's better off than he was before. Kind of cars don't pass you every day. I used to cry for Tracy, 'cause I wanted to see him again. But sometimes life ain't always the way. Springtime was always my favorite time of year. Time for lovers holding hands in the rain. Springtime only reminds me of Tracy's tears. Always cry for love, never cry for pain. He used to say so strong, unafraid to die, unafraid of the death that left me hypnotized. And now staring at his picture, I realize no one could cry the way my Tracy cried. Sometimes it snows in April. Sometimes it feels so bad. Sometimes I wear see again.